Hello my babies, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. So by the title below, you guys already know that I'm back with another hair review for you guys, and this time I'm working with ELFIN hair. Look at this packaging, oh, so pretty. And on the back they have their Instagram page and Facebook page, but I'll link all of those information in the description box. Let us get right into it. So I'll be installing their seamless clip-ins, and I'm so excited because I've never used seamless clip-ins before. So it comes in this duster bag, and again, really pretty. Oh, so nice. So it's their 22 inches seamless clipping. I'm not sure if I said that earlier. And we got a lot of goodies. So an edge brush with the spatula, and then some pamphlet. So they're basically telling you how to care for the hair and the do's and the don'ts, how to shampoo it, and all of that good stuff, and how to style it. And then we get some wig caps, and this looks to me like a bonnet. If the bonnet have them logo, I'm going to be obsessed with this bonnet. Guys, how cute! Right, so let us get into the clip-ins. So it's 12 pieces. Okay, the hair feels soft. Love that. What I want to do, oh, this feels good. What I want to do is to define the curls before I install them. I think that would be much easier. But yeah, this is really nice. In this bundle, it has one with 4 clips, and then 1, 2, 3 with 3 clips, and then these 2 smaller pieces with 1 clip. And I'm assuming this bundle or this pack is the same thing. I don't think I want to open this one as yet. I want to define the curls, and then I'll confirm if it's the same thing, but I should think it's the same thing. What I'm going to do now is to define the curls on this one, since it's not open as yet. I think it will be more easier to manage. So I'm going to use some water with conditioner and some mousse. All right, so I'm going to spray her down. So let me show you the difference. So this is how it looks before, and then this is how it looks after I've defined the curls. So let us get right into installing. So I went ahead and prepped my hair already. Definitely not perfect, but they can work. So I did some big cornrows down to the back, and then I did 2 leave out because I'm not sure what style I want to pull off. These are for leave out, and then this is to do a little style where I center part it and then slick down the 2 sides. I'm not sure what I want to do, but when we get there, we'll figure it out. Guys, play around with your hair and create something cute. I'm going in with this one with the 3 clips. I don't want to do them too close because it's only 12 pieces. Let me start from the corner. Secure that. And guys, I'm not sure if the layout is cute, but we're getting it done. Okay? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. Ooh. Okay. Okay, we're getting somewhere. I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke. Now we get this. So we are finally at the top. I'm not sure how neat is the installation. I wasn't seen behind me, but this side needs a little piece. So this is where this one clip comes in handy. So I'm going to place it right here. Perfect. I have 3 of these, 1 clip left back, and then these 4 clips. So what I want to do for the final one is to flip it. So you see how I install these? I'm going to turn it like so that the hair can fold and create this illusion that it's not a clip-in. So let me go and demonstrate that because I can show you more than tell you. I've never done this before, guys. I literally try a thing. This is the full length. What I'm going to do now is to, let me put these up, is to comb it out. Running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little better. So I went ahead and adjusted these 2 that I had at the front. Because of how seamless the clip-in is, I don't think I need to flip it over to create an illusion. I don't think it's gonna show, but that's a hack that you guys can use to create an illusion like it's growing out of your scalp. So that's that. I'm going to go ahead and slick down my natural hair into this clip-in. It feels so light. Feels like nothing is on my head. So we're gonna spray this just a little, and then we're gonna put some Eco Styler on it. Everything was going good until I got to this part. And let me just start by stating the obvious. The curl pattern from the clip-ins and my natural hair aren't the same. 2 different curl textures, 2 different pattern, guys. But I still went ahead and tried to blend it. And it's definitely my fault. The moment I saw that it's 2 different patterns, I should have done another hairstyle that did not require me to do any leave out or to do less leave out. Nevertheless, the clip-ins were so easy to work with. It's very soft. I love how the clip latches on to my natural hair, or the cornrow rather, and did not give me an headache. Also, the installation was very flat. It felt as if I did not have anything on my head, but this was me trying to blend it, trying to finesse it for it to look cute, but it wasn't working out at all, guys, and I had somewhere to be. So I had to be creative. In the next clip, you'll see that. But I had to be creative and wrap it up with a claw clip just to get it to look cute and girly. Also, I was showing you guys a close-up of how bad it was looking. It did not blend well at all. But I managed to do that. And I think it was very cute. I had to be out of the house, so I wanted, you know, something simple, cute, and nice. So that's what I did until I got back home and did another style, because I just feel as if the clip-ins are so cute and soft, and I wanted another style. I wanted something very cute and long-lasting. So I did a slick back ponytail, and this is how it turned out. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? See, my days are cold without you. My heart can't take no more. I keep on running. See, my days are cold without you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. Without you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. I trusted you, I trusted you. So sad what love will make you do. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. So this is the final look, and I really love it. So it looks good hanging, and it looks good with the claw clip. And you guys know I love me a cute claw clip. So cute. But you guys comment in the comment section and let me know what you think. I did not do any baby hair. You guys know I'm not a baby hair girl, but I think it's very cute. So this is my little hairstyle for the next 5 days. All I have to do is just tie it down, apply some gel, and I'm good to go. A matter of fact, this is giving my hair. It looks blended. It looks really good. Love it. So just to give you guys some clarity, when I took them out, I washed them just to get rid of all of that products that I had put in it, especially the gel, and I did not apply any product to it after. This is how it dried down. Well, I did went and comb it out. It was curly, but I combed it out just to get that big fluffy look, and it looks very natural. It looks like my hair, right? And as I mentioned earlier, the clip-ins are so easy to work with. They are soft, and I just had to create another look because I wanted to rock them so bad. And this is the little style that I came up with. So thank you so much, ELFIN here, for sponsoring today's video. All the information to these clip-ins will be in my description box, so click the link down below and check them out. Bye guys.